Hey, welcome to the Options Man on our YouTube channel. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be showing you how to become successful trading prop firms. Prop firms are all the rage nowadays, as they should be. We now live in the golden era of trading. For the first time in history, the average retail trader with no capital whatsoever but a little bit of know-how can turn as little as $40 a month into thousands a month. Thousands of dollars of profit a month that you otherwise would not have access to. In the last 30 days alone, I have generated over $180,000 of profits, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. We'll go over the pros and cons of a prop firm so you can decide if it's right for you. Then I'm going to show you the approach and the strategy that I used to be so successful in the past month. Let's get started. A prop firm is short for proprietary trading firm. It's a company that provides traders with access to its own capital to trade markets, rather than requiring traders to risk their own personal money. Now, the way this normally works is that you choose your company you want to do business with, you go to their website, you sign up, and you pay a small nominal monthly fee. It can be as cheap as $15 a month or even as expensive as a couple of hundred, depending on which one you want to go with. Now, once you pay the monthly subscription, you are now provided with what's called an evaluation account. This evaluation account comes with a set of rules that you must abide by, and usually a profit target that you must achieve in a given amount of time for you to pass the account. Now, with all the different companies out there, they have a bunch of different rules, some more strict, some more lax, and you have to choose what best suits your trading needs. Once you pass the evaluation, you are now provided with what's called a funded account. A funded account also comes with a set of rules and profit targets that you must achieve. However, this is the account that you actually can start making money through what's called payouts. Now, if you take enough payouts, a company may move you up into what's called a live account. A live account is the first time you'll actually be trading on a live order book with real money and is usually reserved for high-performing traders that show consistency and a true trading edge. Now that you know what a prop firm is, let's get into the pros and cons. The main pro, and the main reason that I love prop firms, is because it's a very low cost and thus very low risk. The very low entry fees for these without having to use your own capital are very attractive, especially if you're someone who knows how to generate very large returns. And for the beginners who don't necessarily know how to generate those returns yet, you can learn to trade without a lot of capital at all. You can go through the very stringent and very difficult process of learning to become a trader by only losing a little bit of money by paying these evaluations instead of losing hundreds or if not thousands of dollars of your own money in your own brokerage account. You can treat them as training wheels, so to speak, to learn how to trade and start putting together some capital. Another pro is that there's so many different options out there now that the prop firm space has exploded that you can choose for any different company that suits your specific trading needs. You can choose the lower cost prop firms that have very stringent rules and very aggressive rules, or you could choose the more expensive prop firms that are more stable and a little bit more trader friendly for you to take more payouts. Now for the cons. The main con of prop firms are the stringent evaluation rules. There's several different types of evaluation rules that go from very lax to very stringent, some of which are trailing drawdowns, consistency targets, very large profit targets, a certain number of days to trade, max drawdowns, and certain trading times. So you don't necessarily have the freedom of trading your own money. Now, these rules may or may not be a big deal for you, but still, they are rules that you wouldn't otherwise have on your own personal trading account. The second con, in my opinion, the biggest con of prop firm trading, is that all the money you pull out of a prop firm through payouts is taxed as a 1099 contractor income. It is not considered investing income like it would be in your personal brokerage. It is 1099 income. So at the end of the year, if you've taken any payouts from a prop firm, you will receive a 1099 in the mail that you'll have to include on your personal taxes. Now, this goes into the third con, which is profit splits. All companies out there have a profit split on payouts, meaning if the split is 90-10, you get 90% of the money, they get 10% of the money. And the problem with that is after the profit split, let's say it's 90-10, the company gets 10%, and then now you're paying taxes on the income, you may only get to see only 40 to 50% of the money that you pull out of prop firms. The last and final main con of trading prop firms is the gambling mindset. Because the cost is so low, is that retail trader could fall into a gambling mindset where they'll constantly fail evaluations and buy new ones over and over and over again, never actually taking payouts and never actually learning how to trade. They're just gambling for the payouts and thus wasting a lot of time and a lot of money. Now that you know what the pros and cons are, I'm going to show you how you can be successful trading props. The first step into becoming successful trading prop firms is to understand upfront that you're going to fail accounts, or blow accounts is what some people call it. It's just going to happen. You're going to blow a lot of accounts. It doesn't matter how good you trade. It doesn't matter what your entries are. It's just going to happen. With the combination of the erratic market behavior on the short-term scale and the rules that they have in place as a business, that failing accounts, blowing up accounts is just going to be a normal part of prop firm trading. Go ahead and accept that now and be done with the frustration. Secondly, is that you have to understand that they are in fact businesses. They are there to turn a profit just like any other business. Now there's two ways that prop firms earn income. One, through the fees they collect through evaluations, earnings, and 2, from the profit splits that they have from successful traders. So going into Propfirm trading, you want to be on the mindset is that you are not there to make them rich. You are there to make you rich. If you find yourself blowing up too many accounts too quickly, then you need to hit pause, reevaluate what you're doing, and fix the problem. Don't sit there, reset with an indefinite amount of accounts, paying them more money and taking more money out of your pocket. Now, with that said, I'm going to give you my biggest approach that changed the way I approached Propfirm trading, because when I first started Propfirm trading years ago, I was not a fan of it. I thought it was just a way to steal money from the average retail trader and keeping you from putting money into your own brokerage account. However, I'm a big believer in them now. It's because I changed the way I approach them through this one rule, and that is you want to look at your Propfirm trading as an army. Your job is to build your army, or the number of soldiers you have fighting in your army. Those soldiers are funded accounts. You want to accumulate funded accounts like a snowball. A snowball is small. It starts out small, but as it rolls down a hill, that snowball gathers snow and gets bigger and bigger and bigger. That's the way you want to approach your funded accounts. So you pass an evaluation, you get your first funded accounts, you grow that account, you take your payouts, you use those payouts to buy more evaluations, pass them and get more funded accounts, and so on and so forth until the point where you have many funded accounts, you have many evaluations waiting for you behind the scenes. That way, you take your payouts on your funded account, and when it comes time for you to fail that funded account, you have more evaluations waiting to become funded. This will allow you to keep the train rolling, to keep the profits coming, to keep the trading going, and weather the storm when you're having bad times and pay you out a lot of money when you're having good times. In addition, this will also help you control your emotional approach to prop firms. Many retail traders will do what's called crashing out whenever they fail an account. They'll treat it as if it's the end of the world, as if they can never pass another valuation ever again. When instead, if you approach it as just the game of probabilities where you just keep on passing evaluations in funded accounts, you can continue to grow your army and always have one waiting for you whenever one fails. This will allow you to approach prop firm trading as a business rather than a gambling mechanism. And these soldiers are your employees to grow your wallet. Remember, when trading prop firms, it's not about right now. It's about what you can accomplish in a month, in a quarter, in a year, in a number of years. What can you do over the course of a certain lengthy time frame to build your success day after day, like building blocks of a house? It's not about any one particular day, whether it be how good or bad it is. It's about the long-term effect of compounding gains and compounding knowledge. Use these tips to approach prop firm trading as a business, and I guarantee you'll start to find success. Now, how did I generate over $180,000 of profits in the past 30 days on only prop firms? I did that using a system that I call the 3 C's, or 3 criteria. I made a video about the specifics of this system a couple of weeks ago. I will link the video down in the description of this video. To summarize, the first criteria is I am waiting for a high volume inflow to tell me when the market is going to shift. The second criteria is I want an associated wick to be attached to that high volume inflow. For example, if I see a high volume inflow at the bottom of a move after a prolonged red session, I want to see a pretty strong buyer's wick to tell me that that volume is in fact the buyers hitting demand. The third C, or third criteria, is follow through, or price action. That is just me analyzing the price action to determine that the market is ready to move in the direction that I think it's going to go, whether it be higher highs, lower lows, breaking a pattern, closing above a prior candle. These moves are able to be applied on any time frame from the 1 minute all the way up into the daily, monthly, or weekly charts. And because of the major moves we've had in a bunch of big names the past month, like gold and silver, I was able to make hay while the sun's shining, or strike while the iron's hot, and apply this system to capture some very large moves and very large gains. Now, the 2 main companies that I use to make this kind of profits are TopStep and TakeProfitTrader. These are the 2 best prop firms in the game, hands down. Out of all the prop firms out there, these are the 2 that offer the rules that are most advantageous to the trader. Neither one of them offer any consistency rules on their funded accounts, and TakeProfitTrader offers daily payouts, which means once you achieve a buffer, anything after that, you can take money out every single day. That is a massive, massive upside to prop firm trading. It's the closest thing to a real brokerage account that you can get in the game. TopStep is fantastic because they've been around for a very long time. They have no trailing drawdown and only have a static drawdown, and they have their own trading platform called TopStep X. The main downside of TopStep is they don't usually offer many promotions, and their costs are pretty well set in stone. TakeProfitTrader costs are the best in the business. They are consistently 40% off, especially if you use my affiliate code OMTPT at checkout. In addition to the 40% off, they give you a free funded account activation, which means your only cost of entry is simply the evaluation fee. But whatever company you choose to go with, make sure the rules benefit you and your system and don't cause you unnecessary aggravation. These 2 companies I offered are 2 very solid choices, especially if you're looking to pay out money on a timely manner. There are companies out there that are actually cheaper than TakeProfitTrader, but they have what's called too much burden of proof, which means after you request to take money out, they demand a very high degree of explanation, of video footage, and proof that you actually took the trade and why you took the trade before they'll actually give you your money. And usually there's a very high denial rate, which means you request a payout and they will deny paying the funds out to you which results in not only time lost, but money lost as well. TPT has daily, no hassle payouts. So anything you request from them, they'll pay out, no questions asked, as long as you're following the rules. Now, the last thing we're going to be talking about is account sizing. There's many different accounts out there for Propfirm trading, and you're going to see them labeled as dollar amounts, such as $50,000 accounts, $100,000 accounts, etc., etc. I would encourage you not to think of these as $50,000 accounts or $100,000 accounts. Instead, I want you to think about these accounts as what drawdown they offer. For example, TakeProfitTrader and TopStep both offer a $4,500 drawdown on their $150,000 accounts. That's the way you need to think of it, that you have $4,500 to play with on that account before you fail the account. In my opinion, the best sizing are about the $75,000 accounts, which offer a $3,000 drawdown for TakeProfitTrader. However, they're all pretty much the same as long as you're ready to adjust your position sizing based on the drawdown that you're allotted. Like I said earlier, we are in the golden era of trading with prop firms. You can make an insane amount of money, an unbelievable amount of money with prop firms, even if you're only successful for 2 or 3 months out of the entire year. 2 or 3 good months can pay for 8 months of mediocre results. If you have any questions about this video, please post your comments down in the description of the video, or you can come over and join the Discord. I do offer a Discord service that is $25 a month, where we do daily live streams and trading analysis on many different markets. You can sign up by going to www.theoptionsmillionaire.com. And as you start your prop firm journey, I encourage you to take a look at TakeProfitTrader. In my opinion, they are the best in the business, hands down. And make sure you use code OMTPT at checkout for that 40% off and free funded evaluation. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Until next time, this is Andrew with the Options Millionaire community, and I'm out. See ya.